How to fix Star Wars JD Fallen Order not launching. So if you want to fix your Star Wars JD Fallen Order not launching, then what you need to do is just simply go with taskbar, right click on it, and then go with Task Manager. Once you're on your Task Manager, you just need to simply go ahead and click on the processes, which is on the left side. Make sure that you're on your processes tab, and then go ahead and click in any of the apps, or you can just simply go with Star Wars JD application. Once you find the application, you can right click on the application and you will have end task. You need to go and end the task with that application. But if you don't find the application right here, then you're good to go. After you've done that, just go ahead and exit the task manager. And now what you need to do is just go ahead and create a shortcut before it begins. Like for example, I have a shortcut for the application right here, but you need to go and create a shortcut for Star Wars application or Star Wars game. And once you have the shortcut, you need to right click on it, and then you can go with show more options, and you will have properties. You can go with properties, and then you will have the compatibility section on your properties. So you just need simply go with the compatibility. You'll have this compatibility right here. Just go with compatibility. And here you need to check the box, which is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Once you check that option, now you just need simply disable the full screen optimization and check the program as an administrator. Once you've done that, you need to go ahead and click on apply and then OK. After you've done that, you need to go ahead and restart your device. And after restarting, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.